Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your Nvidia RTX Video Super Resolution on your PC for your 30 and 40 series graphics cards. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. All right, so here we are on my Windows 11 desktop, and the first thing we need to do to enable the Nvidia RTX Video Super Resolution is to go ahead and open up our GeForce Experience. And once you've got that open up, you should see the little home icon here at the top, as well as drivers. Go ahead and left click on drivers, and there should be an option here that says check for updates. So you're gonna wanna check for updates and have the most recent drivers installed. So once you do that, if there's drivers you need to install, go ahead and do that. Now, I did mine yesterday and updated them, so I do have the most recent drivers. Now, from there, we need to jump down and we can do a quick search here for the Nvidia control panel. It's gonna pop up automatically for me. So Nvidia control panel, just go ahead and type that into your search there and open that up. And once the Nvidia control panel is open, what we're looking for over here on the left-hand side, you'll see a whole bunch of different options. And at the bottom here, there's one that says adjust video image settings right there. Just go ahead and left click on that. And in here, in the bottom right-hand corner, you should see a new option that says RTX Video Enhancement. And there's a little checkbox next to Super Resolution. You can go ahead and turn that on. Now there's one other setting here as well. There's the quality setting. So in here, you'll see 1 through 4. So 1 is the lowest impact on your GPU performance. And number 4 is the highest level of upscaling that you can get. So you can choose from 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'm gonna go ahead and put mine on 4. You might need to play around with this to have it, see how well it works with the GPU that you have. And then once you're done that, you can go ahead and hit apply here, and it's gonna apply that super resolution for your RTX graphics card. And it's really that simple to turn on the Nvidia RTX Video Super Resolution.